Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens, where we explore plants that are as unique as they are useful. Today we're looking at one of the most unusual fruits you can grow, bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon. With its bumpy, ridged fruits and strong, distinctive taste, this plant may not be for everyone's palate, but it has a long history of both culinary and cultural importance. Bitter gourd is so widely valued around the world that it has more than 20 different common names. Despite the different names, it's beloved in all these regions for its unique flavor and powerful health benefits. Bitter gourd is believed to have originated in Africa but was domesticated in Asia, where it has been grown for centuries. It's a staple in South and Southeast Asian cuisines, as well as parts of Africa, the Caribbean, and South America. Over time, it spread globally, especially to tropical and subtropical regions where it thrives in the heat. The plant is a vigorous climbing vine, often trained on trellises, fences, or poles. Its leaves are deeply lobed and bright green, while the fruits are unmistakable, long, warty, ridged, and ranging in color from light green to deep emerald. Depending on the variety, they may be short and fat or long and slender. Inside the white flesh surrounds bright red seeds when ripe. The younger, green fruits are typically harvested for cooking, since they're less bitter than fully ripe ones. Bitter gourd loves warm weather and full sun. It grows best in rich, well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. Plant it after the danger of frost has passed and give it a strong trellis or support to climb, since the vines can reach up to 10 to 12 feet. Water regularly to keep the soil moist, and harvest fruits when they are still green and tender, usually about 4 to 6 inches long, before they turn yellow and become overly bitter. Bitter gourd grows well alongside beans, corn, radishes. Beans in particular are good companions because they add nitrogen to the soil, supporting the heavy feeding gourd vines. Avoid planting bitter gourd near potatoes, which compete for nutrients and can encourage pests. The flowers of bitter gourd also attract pollinators, which help improve fruit production. Bitter gourd is low in calories but packed in nutrients, including vitamins C and A, potassium, and dietary fiber. It's also well known for compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels, which is one reason it has a long history in traditional medicine. In the kitchen, it's a true specialty ingredient. In Indian cooking, it's often stuffed with spices and fried, while in Chinese cuisine, it's stir-fried with pork and eggs. In the Caribbean, the leaves and fruit are sometimes brewed into teas. While the bitterness can take getting used to, many cultures value it for exactly that reason, since bitter flavors can stimulate digestion. The bitter gourd may not be the sweetest plant in the garden, but it's one of the most intriguing, beautiful vines, distinctive fruits, and a flavor with deep cultural roots. If you're looking for something new, unusual, and packed with both tradition and nutrition, this plant is well worth growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.